Hey everyone and welcome back to PowerPoint Academy. I'm back with a new tutorial and today I'm gonna show you how to make this presentation slide in just PowerPoint. So without wasting your time, let's start creating. Here I have already opened a blank presentation. Let's clean it up. I downloaded this PNG image that I'm gonna use. Now we will search for a beautiful pink color palette in coolors.co. Once you click the color you like, the code will be automatically copied to clipboard. Go back to the slide, then right-click, select Format Background, then Gradient Fill. Remove the gradient stops in the middle by dragging them down. Click the gradient stop in the right, then click Color, select More Colors and paste the copied code in hex. Go back to coolors.co and choose a color that is less intense to color the left gradient stop. Click Direction and click from right to left. Add a text box and type your text. Use Impact as font and increase the size to 120. Click Arrange, then Align to center. Change the color to white. Add another text box and type the rest of your text. Use Brush Script MT as font. Increase the size. I will choose this purple from the palette and color the text. Now in Format Shape, click Text Options, then click Effect and add a white glow. And for the first text, let's add a shadow. Now align the second text to center. Let's increase the size of the first text even more. Click the flower PNG image and duplicate it several times, then distribute the images all over the slide. Now resize the images so that you have big and small flowers. Select all the flowers, then duplicate them and drag them down like this. Duplicate again, then distribute the flowers all over the slide. Rotate some of the images. Now right-click an image, click Format Picture, then go to Picture Corrections and reduce the sharpness to -100. Duplicate this image few times and position the copies like this. Duplicate the slide. To select only the flowers without the text, we will click Select in the editing menu, then Selection pane. Select everything in the slide, then in the selection pane deselect the texts. Drag the flowers above the slides like this, then select the bottom part and drag them down like this. Position everything perfectly. Let's duplicate some flowers and position them at the right and the left. Now select the flowers of the left and right, copy and paste them in the first slide and position them inside the slide. Go back to the second slide and decrease the size of some images and position them around the text. Now add a morph transition. Now let's jump to the second part by adding a blank slide. Copy the previous texts and paste them in the new slide. Then copy an image. Go to Picture Tools and change its color to purple. Now let's search for a beautiful purple color palette. Choose two purple colors, one is light and the other is more intense, and fill the background following the exact same steps we did with the first slide. Next we will edit the text. Then we will change the color of the text at the bottom. Let's reduce the glow. Now we will duplicate the flowers, resize, rotate, and position them just like we did with the previous slides. Finally, we will add a morph transition. Click Slideshow. And we are done. Here is our presentation. If you have enjoyed this tutorial, make sure you subscribe, like and share with your friends. See you in the next tutorial.